Praise the Lord. KLA is the conference in session of Lagos East Baptist Conference. It's our annual program where we come to fellowship with God and with one another. And I'm inviting you to join us on our social media platforms through Facebook, through our YouTube channel, through the Instagram. You are welcome. I'm excited to tell you that our theme for this year is transformed by discipline. Pick from Hebrews chapter 12 verse 11. You can be part of the transformational experience. Come, join us, and God bless you.